Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Sayresas, and in today's video, we are going to have another video under my beauty diaries. So today, I am going to try the Laurier Ash Supreme, and I am so excited and I cannot hide it anymore because this is my dream to try the L'Oreal Ash Supreme in Smoky Ash. So I am going to show you how to apply it and what is the content of the box of this hair color, and at the same time how it looks like on my hair and how it works. Also, I'm going to share with you guys my experience sa pagtatry nito at sa pagkukulay ng aking buhok using this L'Oreal Ash Supreme. So, I am so excited because this is my dream. L'Oreal Ash Supreme or Excellence Ash Supreme is one of the hair color that I really wanted to try before and hindi ko ginugo. That is why I am so excited kasi today igugo ko na siya and magkukulay ako I myself using this hair color. So with anti-brass technology and Excellence Ash Supreme. So this is in the shade 6.11 Smoky Ash. So as you can see there from the box, so L'Oreal Paris and then 611 Smoky Ash, and then it says here with anti-brass technology and then Excellence Ash Supreme. Dito naman itong paper na to, or itong part na to rather, kasama ng box, nakalagay new and improved long-lasting ash without brass. I have tried a lot of hair colors. I have tried a lot of hair color brands which are really very effective and napakaganda. Pero at the same time, kada winawash ko yung hair ko at nag-shampoo ako every day or every other day rather, nagbabrush pa rin ang hair ko katulad nito, ayan. So, brassy na yung hair ko and ayoko ng ganito kasi nag-super yellow na siya na orange na. Yellow and orange tone na siya. It's too brassy and I don't like it. So, meron pala din siya nakalagay dito. Ayan. Tingnan nyo lang. Ito. So, nakalagay dito with purple technology. Ayan. Kaya siguro tama yung kiniklaim niya na with anti-brass technology siya and at the same time with purple technology. Pag ginamit to, ibig sabihin hindi magbabrush yung hair mo. So let's see. I am so excited to witness that. Okay? So this is a vlog about applying this hair color and a vlog about trying it for the first time. So pakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng box. Okay? Or sabihin ko, ang laman ng box, sabi niya dito, okay, the description of this hair color, vivid colors with triple care. Okay, and then it is consists of coloring cream and developer. So ito yung coloring cream and ayan. So ito dito na sa likod ng box yung binabasa ko. And then we have professional pH purple shampoo. So meron din siyang kasama and color boost purple mask. Okay, so ito yung mga kasama dito sa hair color na to. So excited na ako, guys. So this is the box, by the way, again. So pakita ko lang sa inyo. And then the other side. So sa other side, nandito yung hair color chart. So kapag dark brown yung hair color mo, ganito yung magiging resulta. Kapag lighter, ganito yung magiging resulta. So let's see. I'm so excited. So 611 Smoky Ash. So I'm just going to open. Oops. Oh my God, guys. Sobrang bango. Hindi pa nakabukas yan. Nakasarap pa lang yan. Pero amoy na amoy ko na talaga yung amoy ng hair color niya. Amoy talagang mamahalin. So by the way, guys, I bought this from Watson SM department store for only 449 pesos. So it's more expensive than the other brand, but I know that L'Oreal is a very good quality brand. Ayan. Ang bango, guys. Sobra. Yung baby ko. So bigit yung baby ko. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Mukha kang Japanese, bebe. Love you. Okay, guys. So, na-mix na natin yung cream developer and then cream color or color cream. So, ngayon, gagawin na natin siya. So, by the way, ito sila. So, nakamix na sila dito and then ito yung butas. Ay, oh my God. Okay. Sorry for that. So, Ayun lang yung application, okay? And then, kaya kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, meron na rin siyang ganito. So, palitan nyo lang kung ayaw nyong gamitin to. Kung direct nyo nang gustong gamitin to, pwede din. So, interchangeable silang dalawa. So, ito yung lalagay natin and then, pang suklay natin later. Maglagay muna tayo ng gloves. Don't forget to use the gloves. So, kasama rin tong gloves, guys. Okay? Para hindi makulayan yung mga hands natin. Kasi ang hirap din magtanggal ng mga hair colors sa hand. So, ayan. So, ready na tayo. May gloves na ako. Nakasuot na ako ng gloves. And then, lagay na natin sa hair. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Try natin to. Itong pastel na may comb na. Lalabas din naman dito yung hair color eh. So, let's see. Ayan. So, nakita mo. Oh my God. Okay. Ayan, iwasan lang natin. Actually, ang gandang gamitin nitong L'Oreal kasi ito na yung gagamitin mo. So, masusuklay na siya dyan. Tsaka at the same time, lumalabas na yung color, yung cream mismo. And then, para lang siyang shampoo type. So, para ka lang nagsha-shampoo, diba? So, para ayaw natin masyadong messy. So, gamitin natin yung hand. And then, suklay natin. So, ayan. Kung meron din kayo hairbrush dyan, pwede nyo rin gamitin. Kung saan kayo komportable. So, dapat alert kayo. Dapat nakasalo na agad yung kamay nyo para hindi mabuhos yung pangkulay. Baba, para hindi messy. Kaya magiging hair color ko. So excited, guys. So, just repeat the process dito sa ibang part ng hair. Oh, wow! So, nakikita nyo guys, nagda-darken na agad. Nagko-color na agad. So, effective talaga ang L'Oreal. Tama talaga yung claim ng mga vloggers and ng mga tao na gumagamit ng L'Oreal. Tama talaga yung claims nila. Sobrang effective talaga. OMG! So, see, tignan nyo dito. So, nag-dark na dito sa part na to. And then, dito sa part na to, ayan. So, kita nyo yung difference. So, nag-darken na siya dito. And then, ito yung hair color ko kanina. So, ayan. Napaka-easy niyang gamitin, guys. Di kayo masyadong mahihirapan. Kasi, ayan, meron ng nasusuklayan na at the same time, lumalabas na rin yung hair color dyan. Ano lang, pindutin nyo lang to. Ayan, squeeze nyo lang ng ganyan. Regarding naman dito sa amoy ng hair coloring, dito sa color cream and sa cream developer, medyo may amoy siya guys ha, pero tolerable naman siya. Like katulad ng mga other hair color brands na may amoy din. Amoy din siya and at the same time mabango din siya. So dito naman tayo sa lower part ng hair ko. Ayan siya guys. So this is the liquid. Ito ng hair color na developer and cream. When mixed, nag-turn into purple shade siya. So suklay-suklay lang natin guys until ma-reach na lahat ng hair strands no. So meron ako ditong hair comb. Oh wow! Oh my god! I like it. Nakikita ko na yung color niya. I love it. Ma-achieve ko na yung hair color or yung dream hair color ko. Ma-achieve. So nice! See? Nag-color siya agad guys. Ang ganda. Ang lakas maka-fresh and at the same time, tumugma siya dito sa kulay ng eyebrow. Maglagay pa tayo. Make sure guys na lahat ng hair strands nyo is nag-color or na-reach. Okay? Para magpantay-pantay yung kulay ng buhok nyo. Anyway, marami naman din laman itong hair color. I think sa mga mahaba ang buhok, kailangan mga 2 sigurong ganito yung gamitin nyo. Pero sa katulad ko na short hair and then I think sa medium length hair, kasya na rin tong isang buhok. Napakadali lang gamitin. Okay, complete na yung box, complete package, complete materials, complete too. So, very hassle-free. Kahit kayo mag-isa talaga, kayang-kaya nyo nang gawin. Sorry naman kung medyo messy pala dito. Hindi ko na kasi nakikita ang dilim-dilim eh. So, tatapusin ko lang tong pagkukulang ng pagkukulay ng hair ko and then I'll be back later. I'm going to show you the hair color after I wash it. Okay guys, so ito na yung hair ko. So, binabad ko na siya ng 30 minutes and now I'm going to rinse off and wash my hair. So, this is the L'Oreal Excellence Boost Purple Mask. So, ito yung ilalagay natin mamaya after natin i-shower yung hair natin. And then, you are going to use this one and then put it on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? So, it depends on you. So, how long you want to put it on your hair. Pero, mas maganda kung medyo matagal. So, nandun tayo sa 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? And then, this is the shampoo. So, I am going to use this to wash my hair and rinse off the hair color. So, I'll be back and I'll see you later for the result.